Alright guys, so we ran into some problems today. For one, we didn't have a spring compressor for the struts, so we couldn't put the struts on, but I did manage to put the caster camber plates on, and I'm putting the other one on, so I was just going to do a little installation video for you guys because I had trouble putting these on and figured it out, so make it a little more clear for everyone else that is wondering the same thing. So we also couldn't put the bump steer kit on because we want to put the struts on first to make sure we know what spacers we need, what lengths we need. So anyway, here is the first one that's already installed. I left this, I'm gonna have to cut my finger open, but I'll take you around to the other side real quick. And what I had to do here and on the other side is you have to, so there's 3 holes originally, those 3. You have to drill this hole, and I had to make it big enough to where, I made it a little too big, but it's alright. So what you have to do really is put these 3 through, put it, I tried putting them in the middle of that, like the original holes, and then I went under and marked it, and then I just drilled through the top and then kept working and working and working, and I had to keep making it bigger and everything. So alright, so after you get your hole drilled, you're going to drop the spacers on, and then you're going to grab your top piece, put it on the right way. Alright, slide your spacer underneath here, line it up, and then you're going to grab all the washers. Each one gets a washer. Okay, and this guy over here will get a washer and this guy. Right. Hand tight. Okay. Finish that off. And just put your nut on each bolt. Alright, then tighten it down once you have where you want them. Move. Everything looks good, so I'm going to tighten it down, leave her alone. So that's all I got for you guys today. Hopefully we can get a spring compressor for tomorrow and get the rest of the stuff installed so I can start ordering more parts. I mean, I can order more parts regardless, but I want to get this stuff installed so I get a little motivation to get this stuff done. So thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.